The coronavirus, it has hit this community incredibly hard. One area affected is those who are at high risk of getting sick, our senior population. One local company is stepping up to help, and you can too. Joining us via Skype this morning, Tom Egan, CEO of Foundation for Senior Living, with the need they are seeing right now in our community. Great to have you with us, Tom. I know you have been working incredibly long hours, you and your team and your staff. First, tell us, what does the Foundation for Senior Living do?
Sure. So we are a nonprofit organization, really a multi-service organization that provides healthcare and social services and affordable housing around the state of Arizona. You know, we've always said for Arizonans of all ages, but the vast majority of people we take care of are seniors.
All right. So what changes have you seen? Already an incredibly vulnerable community. What changes have you seen in light of COVID-19?
Demand for services has certainly gone up. It's really hitting our programs in different ways. The one we're seeing that the biggest increase is food. So just on a regular day before this really started, we were doing 1,400 meals per day. Not all of those were home delivered meals. Some of those were congregate meals or done in a group setting. And let's just break that down and say there's roughly 400 home delivered and 1,000 that were done in a group setting. Well, now I've got to shift and be able to do all 1,400 of those to some sort of home delivery or pickup service. And that's not even trying to ramp up to meet increased demand. That's just trying to get to what we were already doing on a daily basis.
Wow. So now it changes everything. The trajectory of what you guys are doing now is even more in need. So Waymo has stepped up to help you in a very big way. Can you tell us about this initiative?
Yeah, so when things first started hitting last week, I had sent out a communication to really all of our corporate partners, and we've had a partnership with Waymo for the last few years, Google's self-driving car technology, and they were the first ones to respond. And, we'd been working on educating people about the mobility needs for seniors and just being able to maintain that independence. And they dramatically stepped up their donations, and they were literally the first ones to respond to my calls and emails, and I'm internally grateful to them.
Absolutely, because this is a life source for so many seniors. How many are you? You were talking about 400 prior to this. What are you up to now, do you believe?
1,500 plus.
Okay. Wow.
I mean, and we're still trying to gather that information. There's some sources that are coming out there. We're trying to, working with our funding partners, trying to shift more of that. And then we've started, some fundraising efforts here at Foundation for Senior Living. I
was going to ask you, how can the community help?
We have if you go to our website, which is fsl.org, we've started asking the community for donations. I know people are scared. We're all living in times right now. But, think about our seniors were already isolated, and for them to now just really know that the community cares. We need monetary donations. We need non-perishable food donations. You can find a lot of that information on our website. And then there's a special page, actually. It's fsl.org/COVID-19. That really does two things. It gives updates on our various programs if there are any disruptions in service delivery, but it also shows ways that the community can help. Okay. We've even had people dropping off food at our door.
Yes.
They're dropping it off inside the door and leaving, and then we go out and get it. It's really strange times.
It is difficult times, and we're going to put that information up. I don't want to cut you off, but I appreciate everything that you're doing. I want to give the folks those resources right now. Thank you so much, Tom. Continued prayers to you and your entire staff. If you would like to make a donation to Foundation for Senior Living, those websites again, fsl.org/COVID-19. Your donations, they will fund food supplies, transportation costs to ensure that those homebound seniors that Tom was talking about have the meals they need. It will also deploy emergency staffing to ensure medically necessary services are delivered uninterrupted. That website again, fsl.org/COVID-19.